Hello students, today's topic is there. There as main verb and as modal auxiliary verb. Subject teacher Kamal Bansi Najam. There as a main verb. As a main verb, when conjugated with do, there has the usual forms dares, dared. When conjugated with do, it takes an infinitive with to. It is used in negatives, questions, and in the affirmative sentences. There, as a main verb, it is used in present, past, and future tense. There as a main verb. There as a main verb, model sentences are here. Affirmative sentences. He always dares to use my laptop. They dared to touch me. He will dare to go. Model sentences, negative sentences. He doesn't dare to use my laptop. They didn't dare to touch me. He will not dare to go. Dare as a main verb. Interrogative sentences. Does he dare to use my laptop? Did they dare to touch me? Will he dare to go? Will he not dare to go? All these are interrogative sentences. Dare as a main verb. Dare as a modal auxiliary. Dare as a modal auxiliary verb. Dare means be brave enough to, as distinct from the ordinary verb dare. Dare means challenge as a ordinary verb. It does not take s in the third person singular present tense. Dare as a modal auxiliary is not used in affirmative sentences. It is conjugated without do. It is followed by an infinitive without to. Dare is used with infinitive without to only in negative and interrogative sentences. Dare as a modal auxiliary verb, it is used in present tense and past tense. Dare as a modal auxiliary verb, it is not used in future tense. Not in future tense. Remember it well. Dare as a modal auxiliary, dare is not used in affirmative sentences. Dare is not used in future tense. So, dare is used in only present tense and past tense. Model sentences. Negative sentences are here. We dare not go. I dare not touch the furniture. I dared not eat mangoes. You dared not sleep in that room alone. He dared not jump over this rope. Dare as a modal auxiliary. Model sentences, interrogative sentences are here. Let's concentrate. Dare we go? Dare I touch the furniture? Dared I eat mangoes? Dared you sleep in that room alone? Dared he jump over this rope? Concentrate on these interrogative sentences. Dare as modal auxiliary. How dare? How dare you touch my laptop? How dare you use my bike? How dare you contradict me? How dare you call me a fool? How dare you go there? How dared you catch them? Dare, dare as main verb and as a modal auxiliary verb. As a main verb and as a modal auxiliary, let's compare. As a main verb, we dare to go, but not as a modal auxiliary, as dare is not used as a affirmative sentence. We do not dare to go, we dare not go. He did not dare to go. As a modal auxiliary, he dared not go. Now see interrogative sentences. Did he dare to go? And modal auxiliary, dared he go? Did he not dare to go? Dared he not go? And last, he will dare to go as a main verb, and there is no sentence as a modal auxiliary, as there is not used in future. Read all these sentences carefully. Children, today we have learned use of dare as a main verb and use of dare as modal auxiliary verb. Read all the model sentences very well and the given information very well. Read it again and try to understand it well. Thank you. Goodbye.